So this is gonna fit in here like that.
Wow, that's like almost perfect right there.
Almost. So we're gonna have to modify it a little bit.
Oh, this is gonna be fun.
Yeah.
Get to tack some stuff.
Yeah, and Isaiah's gonna do the welding. We are continuing how to shave the gas fill hole in your Chevy C10 where the original gas tank went through the body cab. And so in the first part, we welded it up. So if you haven't seen that, go back. There'll be a link in the description, and at the end there'll also be a link to the video of part 1 on welding in the gas fill hole, the steel that went in there. And then in this video, we're going to show you how to do the body work, do the body filler, sand it, how to cheese grade, how to sand, what grades of sandpaper to start with, and how to work your way through the grades of sandpaper all the way to getting it prepped for primer and then getting it prepped for paint. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and share with your friends. We appreciate it. Stay tuned for this awesome episode of Old Guy's Garage.
What is up, guys?
Hey, how's it feel in there?
I feel like I'm 5 again.
You look like you're 5 again. Hey, give me the arm out the window. We're bringing it in to do the welding in there. It's too hot out here. Straight in, you're good. That's good. A little low?
A little bit, yeah. I'm just trying to watch this corner right here because I know it dips down. Past this, I'm like,
You can't even see.
no, you can't see it at all.
Alright guys, we have it all prepped. The hole is prepped. Bare metal all the way around. And we got our welder set up. We're ready to go. We got our welder set up. There's our welder.
Alright guys, sorry we didn't show you the whole weld. Unfortunately the welder was having some issues over there, but we got it all figured out. My dad over here, he got the weld almost all the way around. We just got a few spots to touch up here, up here a little bit, mainly over here. But I mean, it's almost completely done, and then time to grind it down. Yep. But all patched up. Yeah.
Yep.
All right, here it is, guys. All grinded, fully weld. It's completely ready to be
Filler.
yeah, body filler and sanded and smoothed out and then painted.
So stay tuned. Alright guys, we got our body filler, our applicator, place to put our body filler on and mix it with our hardener. Alright, it seems almost hard enough to start using the cheese grater. Alright, so I got some 120 grit. I'm going to lightly sand. Alright, it's ready for coat number 2. Round 3. Guys, thanks for watching. We just finished the 3rd layup. We're going to do one more layup, and that should be a final on this bodywork for the gas fill hole, shaving it. So thanks for watching. Appreciate you watching the channel. If you could, please subscribe to the channel. Click on the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, give us a like, and then also click on post notification. That's the little bell, and click on all, and then you'll get notified when we drop a new video. So we're getting ready to do a couple more videos on this C10, and it's just going really quick. So thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate you watching, and let me show you what it looks like now. So we got it taped off. It's good enough for now. I'm gonna wipe it off with thinner and then just put a light couple coats of primer on there. Go ahead. Yep. Yeah, go ahead. One more coat. Not so far. Stay right on it. There you go. Good.
Check out the side.
Go ahead. That's good.
Those are pretty deep up there.
Yeah. There you go. Nice. Now keep going. You gotta go all the way off the paper.
I did. Nice.
Okay. All right, we're gonna take some satin black and just do a light guide coat over the primer. All right, that's it. All right, so now we're going to take the paper off and show you the final product. All right, guys, there you have it. That is one shaved gas fill hole. I want to thank LMC Truck for making that fill hole part that we welded in. And I'm going to show you, hard to see, but it contours. I mean, you can't even tell there was ever a hole there. It looks just like the rest of the body. A couple little scratches right there, but that will sand out. This whole truck is going to get epoxy primered. I was going to epoxy primer it, but then I realized it's just going to make a big mess. Probably get primer all over my frame. So I didn't want to spray it with the epoxy primer. I'll wait and do the whole truck with the epoxy primer later. So we're going to shave these little nubs off all the way across, because there was a piece of molding that went there, and we're not going to put that back on. Not to mention the body's a little funky around these, and I'm not going to do a paint job that shows all that funkiness around there. That's not acceptable, and it's too hard to sand with those things sitting there to get it straight. That's why it's like that. See, you can see the little dimple on all of them. Look at that. That just looks terrible. Not acceptable. So we're gonna fix all those. Hey guys, thanks for watching Old Guy's Garage all the way to the end. In the next video, we're gonna be working on this Corvette. We are gonna put roller casters under the front end, and then we're gonna lower it as much as we can in the front without having it scrape. So stay tuned for that. We're going to work on the Corvette in the next episode of Old Guy's Garage. Thanks for watching, guys. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.